Ready to ditch those hefty international transaction fees and make your money travel smarter? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open a Revolut account right here in Canada, making international spending and transfers a breeze. First things first. Let's check your eligibility. You'll need to be a Canadian resident, at least 18 years old, and have a valid form of Canadian ID, like a passport or driver's license. Alright, let's get started. Download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Revolut. It's the one with the distinctive blue and white logo. Once it's downloaded, tap open. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure it's a Canadian number. Then, create a secure password, something you'll remember, but others won't guess. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and residential address in Canada. Double-check everything is accurate to avoid any issues later. Time for ID verification. You'll be asked to upload a photo of your Canadian passport or driver's license. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure the image is clear and well-lit. The app will then guide you through a facial recognition scan to confirm your identity. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once your account is verified, which can take a few hours or sometimes up to a day, you're in. You can now explore all the amazing features Revolut offers in Canada. This includes exchanging currencies at competitive rates, creating virtual cards for secure online shopping, tracking your spending, and sending money internationally with ease. Start exploring and enjoy the benefits of your new Revolut account.